Hi students, welcome to Math with Miss Baker. Today we're going to be dividing using our place value chart, and we're going to divide numbers from 4 digits up with a 1 digit divisor. So let's get started. First thing first is we're going to write our problem. So we're going to solve 1,200, let's do 44, and we are going to divide this by 4. So the 1,244 is our dividend, and the 4 is going to be our divisor. And when we get our answer, that's going to be our quotient. And if we have a remainder, we'll put our remainder right here. All right, so the first thing we want to do is break this number down and put it in the correct place value chart in this correct location. So I'm going to put the 1 in the thousands place, the 2 in the hundreds place, the 4 in the tens place, and then the last 4 in the ones place. All right. So since I'm dividing by 4, I'm going to put the 4 on the outside. And I know when I'm dividing, in order to check later, whatever I get up here, I'm going to have to multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and put this multiplication symbol here. So the steps that I'm asking myself is, if you can kind of see here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. How many groups can you make without going over? How many groups of 4 can I make out of each one of these without going over? So I'm asking myself, how many 4s can I get out of 1? 0. So I'm going to put a 0 here. Whatever I put up here, I have to multiply by my divisor. So 4 times 0 gives me 0. Whatever is left, which is 1, I have to move it over here. And now this doesn't become 3, it becomes 12. So now that 1,000 makes this 100 become 1,200. Okay? Now it says here to repeat. So now I ask myself again, how many groups of 4 can I get out of 12? 3. So I'll put the 3 here. And now whatever I write up here, I multiply by my divisor. 4 times 3 is what? It is 12. So I take the 12 and I subtract. And I have nothing left over. So I don't have to put a 0 in front of the 4 tens. Okay. Now I go back and repeat. How many 4s can I get out of the 4 tens? And the answer is 1. What do I do with the 1? Multiply by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So I'm going to subtract. And I get 0. I don't need to bring the 0 over. I repeat. How many 4s can I get out of 4? The answer is 1. 4 times 1 is what? 4. Do I have a remainder? No. Do I have to put anything in the remainder spot? I do not. But this right here is my answer. So the answer to 1,244 divided by 4 is 311. Now, how do I check to make sure that's accurate? Okay. What I do is I'm going to take the 311 and I'm going to multiply by what? By 4. All right. Let's see what we get. Okay. 4 times 1 is what? It is 4. 4 times 1 again, which is 10, is also 4. And then 4 times 3 is 12. My answer checks out. If at any moment I get stuck and I'm not sure what my facts are, there's a timetable chart here that can assist you. Thank you for watching.